All right, so here we have the writing prompt for Form 4. So what we want you to do, kind of the same thing we have been doing, respond to the following questions in 2 paragraphs for the first writing prompt, and for the next one, 1 paragraph. So for the first question, we want you to pick one character to analyze and explain how destiny has played a role in his or her life. So basically, we want you to analyze 2 places where destiny seems to have controlled this character, and then analyze an instance where this character has control over their destiny. So looking at instances of conflict is a pretty good place to start when it comes to trying to find places where destiny has kind of controlled this character's life, or where a choice that the character makes controls their life. And then we want you to discuss what you think the character would say about destiny, and has their opinions about destiny changed throughout the novel. So examining and comparing characters' point of view will help. So if you're looking, say, at Daniel or Natasha, you can start looking at the beginning, very beginning of the novel, see any places where they have talked about destiny or discussed it in their point of view, and then you can just change to the ending of the novel and see any places where destiny has or is impacting that character's life, or where the character is talking about destiny. So just discussing what has changed by the end of the novel. And then, so for writing prompt 2, we would like you to write about your reactions to the ending of our novel with the following questions. So did you find the ending interesting or enjoyable? Why or why not? Was it what you were expecting to happen? So personally, it was not what I was expecting to happen. So if you had any similar feelings, or if you were expecting that to happen, we just want you to discuss why or why not you feel that way. And then, why do you think the author chose to end the book in this way? And then at the end, is there any other overall reactions to the book as a whole that you would like to share? So please make your response 3 paragraphs in total, with 3 to 5 pieces of textual evidence. If you need reminders on textual evidence, please look back on slide 7. Thank you.